I welcome you to Bioresource Nature Park of Kerala Forest Research Institute, Nilambur. See, we are in the Western Ghats region, and Western Ghats is known as one of the hot spots of biodiversity in the whole world. Because of change in land use systems, because of a kind of development which are affecting our natural forests. As a result of this one, we are losing many plants and animals from our system. And there are many rare, endangered, threatened species in Western Ghats region. What is now important is awareness creation about the richness of plant diversity in the Western Ghats region. In order to provide awareness to people of all kinds, all walks of life, maybe common man, students, administrators, researchers, we have developed a botanical garden here and we call it as Bioresource Nature Park. In this park, we are having different thematic areas like orchids, ferns, medicinal plants, palms, hydrophytes, cactus and succulents, xerophyte plants, and then at the same time we are also having a butterfly garden and taxonomy garden. Here we try to collect and assemble plants, particularly rare, endemic and endangered species of our Western Ghats.
Visiting the Bioresources National Park in Nilambur. They have lot of information and it is really well maintained. They are conserving many varieties of plants, trees and orchids. They have a butterfly park and many flowers, which is a visual treat to us. It is a very good center to study biology. Please make it a point to visit the Bioresources National Park in Nilambur.
Thank you.